Hi, I'm Pauline and I'm a Complementary Therapist at St Andrew's Hospice. In this video, I'm going to show you some very simple hand reflexology techniques that you can either provide at home for a loved one or to carry out on yourself to promote self-care. Today, we're going to concentrate on alleviating stress and anxiety. Reducing stress levels can help to lower blood pressure, aid sleep, strengthen the immune system, calm the mind and help you to feel more positive. Reflexology is an ancient therapy that dates back thousands of years. It involves the stimulation of pressure points on the hands or feet using the therapist's thumbs and fingers. This therapy can promote and activate the body's own healing abilities. It is holistic, non-invasive, and it has a calming and relaxing effect, not just physically but also mentally and emotionally. There are a few instances when it wouldn't be suitable to perform hand reflexology, where there is the presence of any rashes or infectious diseases, sprains, areas of surface skin problems such as bruising, tender or inflamed areas, or broken skin. Show caution on those with thin, delicate skin by applying very light pressure only. Be mindful of skin sensitivity. Some prescription drugs or medication can oversensitise or numb the reflexes. Illness and stress and anxiety themselves can also heighten the sensitivity. Any doubts about performing this treatment, please refer to a GP. You don't have to use any massage oil or lotion to perform hand reflexology, but I like to use some hand cream or lotion, as not only does it feel nice, it smells nice too. Again, if you do use some cream or lotion, just ensure that neither you nor your loved one is allergic to any of the ingredients before you begin. And of course, it's always good hygiene practice to wash your hands both before and after the treatment. You can perform this with someone sitting in a chair or lying in a bed. You could support your loved one's hand on a cushion, covered with a towel so you don't get any oil or lotion on the cushion. When giving yourself hand reflexology, sit in a nice comfortable chair with a cushion on your lap to support your arms. If you wish, you could even play some relaxing music to enhance the experience. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate some hand reflexology to cope with stress. I'm going to show you how you can do this to yourself. You can of course do this to your loved one also, but if you learn how to do it to yourself, then it means you can do it to yourself anytime you happen to feel stressed. So what you can do is you can put on some hand cream or lotion if you want. You don't need to, but today I'm going to put on a wee bit of my favourite homemade hand cream, just because it feels nice and it smells lovely too. So I'm just going to gently rub this in, just so that my hands are nice and moisturised. Okay, so before we begin, we're going to just do a little bit of hand flexing exercises. So you're going to put your fist in a ball and just flex your fingers. And don't worry if you can't flex your fingers too far, just do what you're able to do. And then we're going to just rotate the wrist, just hold your wrist gently and just rotate your wrist, just so that everything's nice and loose and relaxed. And then once you've done that, you're just going to do some nice gentle thumb massage circles in the palm of the hand. Just to relax your hand, you can give your fingers a nice massage as well, so that everything's nice and relaxed. Okay, so the next move we do is some gentle thumb pressure in the middle of the palm. This is the solar plexus acupressure point. So what you're going to do is you're going to just breathe in, apply some pressure, just some gentle pressure, and then release and breathe out. So do this several times, just to bring some calmness and stillness. And so the next one we do is turn the hand like that so you can see the outside of your thumb. And this is the hypothalamus reflex. So you're just going to take your thumb, and it's just on the very edge here, at the top of your thumb. And you're just going to do little circles like that. Doesn't have to be too much pressure. Just little nice small circles. And you're going to do that for around a minute. And then we move on from here to the spinal reflex, which goes down the hand like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to do what we call little caterpillar moves with the thumb. So the thumb moves like that, just like a caterpillar. So we're going to caterpillar along the bone of the thumb from the first to the second joint, and then continue to caterpillar walk along the bone from the second joint down to the base of the hand, just like that. And you're going to do this move for around a minute. And then the next one we move on to is the lungs reflex. So you're going to place your thumb roughly halfway down the palm of the hand, just underneath halfway. And you're going to do some caterpillar walking again with this move. So it's going to be in between the ring finger and the pinky. That's where you place your thumb. And you're just going to do some nice gentle caterpillar walking up. And again, you can apply as much pressure as you want. And again, we do it here as well, in between the middle and the ring finger. Just caterpillar walking up. And again, in between the index finger and the middle finger, starting from the palm, just going up like that. And you're going to do this move for around 2 minutes. So then we move on to the large intestine reflex. So again, more caterpillar walking. So what we do is we place our thumb at the base of just here, at the base of the hand, in between the ring finger and the pinky finger. And you're going to caterpillar up until we get to around the middle, and then just turn and caterpillar walk along like that until you get to the fleshy part of the hand in between the thumb and the index finger. So we'll do that one again. Just caterpillar up, turn, walk across until we get to the fleshy part. And you're going to do that move for around 2 minutes. So the very last move that we do is the kidney, adrenal glands. So it's just where we finished off at that last move there. So again, you're just going to support one hand in the other, and we're going to use the thumb, and we're going to work this webbing, this kind of fleshy area between the thumb and the index finger. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the thumb, and it's called hooking. So what we do is we just take the thumb and hook up. So we're just applying some pressure. Again, if you find it painful, just do some gentle pressure. So you're just going to take the thumb and hook up like that. And you can do it nice and slowly. And again, you're going to do this move for around a minute. So once you've done this to one hand, remember that you're going to have to do it to the other hand as well. And then once you've done it to the other hand, you're just going to give your hands a nice gentle rub, just because it feels nice. And then once you've finished, just sit nice and quietly and practice some deep breathing. In through the nose and out through the mouth. But only if you're able, do this breathing at your own pace. Nice, gentle and relaxed breaths. I hope you found this video useful, that it encourages you to practice this relaxing therapy either with your loved ones or on yourself to reduce anxiety and stress levels. Thanks for watching and take care.